Into the weekend, we've got this dominating high pressure system just north of South Africa. It's acting like a heat cap and will therefore bring heatwave conditions for the northeastern regions up until early next week. But for Friday, a few more clouds still hanging around over Limpopo and Mpumalanga, with isolated thunderstorms likely along the escarpment and here and there possible in KwaZulu-Natal. But our solar radiation map clearly showing lots of sunshine expected across South Africa this Friday, with peak performance on your solar panels. A northeasterly wind blowing moderate to fresh at times between Richards Bay and Gqeberha, and a westerly wind later blowing fresh over parts of the Northern Cape and the Karoo. And into the late afternoon, that south-southeaster yet again blowing fresh along the coast of the Western Cape. But quickly heating up over the interior of the Western Cape, with 34 in Clanwilliam, 31 in Worcester and 25 in Cape Town. A windy late afternoon. Some cloud expected to move over parts of the Overberg and Overstrand the morning, foggy patches in places as well as the southern coastline, with a mainly easterly wind blowing and temperatures just about 20 degrees into the afternoon. But hot in the Little Karoo as well as the Central Karoo, with maximum temperatures above 30 degrees. That northeasterly wind blowing moderate to fresh along the coast of the Eastern Cape, temperatures in the mid-20s. Some foggy patches the morning over the interior, but later quickly heating up with 33 degrees in Komani. Also some cloud the morning with foggy patches in KwaZulu-Natal on Friday, but then later that northeasterly wind blowing moderate to fresh along the coast with temperatures in the mid-20s, quickly heating up over the northern regions with a few isolated heat-induced thunderstorms likely, as well as along the escarpment of Mpumalanga, but mainly sunny skies for the high veld with 30 degrees in Standerton, 28 for Mpumalanga. Some cloud the morning hanging over the Limpopo as well as the low veld and the northern regions, later becoming partly cloudy with temperatures above 30 degrees and mid-30s expected over parts of the Bushveld. It's a mainly hot and dry day for northwest, and the weather service warning against runaway fires. Later, a westerly wind blowing fresh in parts of the Karoo. Also a high fire danger in place for the Northern Cape due to the windy, hot and dry conditions, and the mercury soaring just below 40 degrees in Upington. That's sizzling hot. A sunny, hot and windy day for the Free State, dry weather, so it's perfect ingredients for runaway fire, so please be cautious out there, with a high of 33 degrees in Bloemfontein. Mainly sunny skies for Gauteng with 30 in Johannesburg and 31 for Pretoria. Then heatwave conditions baking northeastern South Africa this weekend, with maximum temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for northwest Gauteng, parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and partly cloudy skies along the southern coastline. Soaring to a high of 36 degrees on Sunday in Pretoria, and we're expecting a few isolated thunderstorms to bring some relief to the heat over parts of the Northern Cape, later moving over the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely Friday.